Hello, this is meteorologist John Wentenkamp with the National Weather Service in La Crosse, Wisconsin, and here is a look at your severe weather briefing for today. Severe thunderstorms are possible this afternoon into early this evening, and there is a potential for damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and some large hail and brief heavy rainfall. However, there is uncertainty with storm development today as widespread cloud cover could hinder the thunderstorm development. Severe weather key points for today. The severe storms are possible this afternoon and evening. Main threat time is between 1 p.m. and 8 p.m. Threats would include damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado, and some large hail. Location of the severe thunderstorms, confidence is moderate. And again, the strong to severe risk is conditional based on the amount of cloud cover, where the storms would initiate, and the position of a warm front. So be sure to monitor forecasts closely today. Impacts from the storms today would be wind damage to trees, buildings, and power lines if storms develop. And also, if there are any tornadoes, we could see even more significant damage. Taking a look at the tornado risk area and damaging wind risk area, the greatest risk for tornadoes and damaging winds will be across portions of north central into northeast Wisconsin. However, this location could change based on where storms develop and the location of a warm front. Could see some damaging wind gusts of 60 miles per hour or stronger and the possibility of isolated tornadoes. Taking a look into next week, periods of heavy rainfall are possible, and this could lead to widespread flooding, including river flooding and perhaps flash flooding if the rainfall is heavy enough. Key points for heavy rainfall looking into next week. Several rounds of rain are expected, which could lead to widespread flooding, and there is medium confidence that this wet pattern will develop. However, the location of the heaviest rainfall is somewhat uncertain at this time, so be sure to monitor forecasts, especially if you have any interest along rivers or live in a low-lying area. In summary, severe storms are possible this afternoon and evening. This is a conditional risk for severe weather based on the amount of cloud cover that's across the region. The storms could struggle to develop today, so be sure to monitor the weather closely today. And then wet weather continues into next week, and there's potential for widespread flooding. So be sure to monitor forecasts later this week into next week as well. Thanks for listening. For additional information, check out our internet homepage or check us out on social media.